Caden and Shania have 51 books altogether. I know that because in the story it said that Shania had 20 books and Caden had 11 more. So I drew 20 for each of the characters because Shania had 20 and Caden had 11 more. So then I added 11 to Caden's because Caden had 11 more than Shania. Then I counted all of it together. I counted how much Caden had altogether, and I figured out that it was 31. And then when I figured out it was 31, I counted Shania's and Caden's numbers all together, and that's how I figured out that it was 51.
How much money does Christian have, Mumin?
Christian has $34.88. I know this because I used a teacher, and under bills I put 2 $10 bills and 14 $1 bills, and I had $34 in total. Next, under coins, I put 2 quarters, 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies. And how much that equaled was 88 cents. And then my answer was $34.88.
Can you show us your work? Great. Show us the teacher. Whoa, great. Thanks, Mumin. Abigail, what time is it on the clock, and how do you know?
It's 11:45 because when the hour hand is between two numbers, it is always the smaller number, and when the minute hand is on the 9, it is 45 minutes.
Which teacher threw the ball farther, and how do you know?
Both Miss Blakelock and Miss Ziegler threw the ball the same way because when I paired up Miss Blakelock's place where she threw the ball, which is half, and Miss Ziegler's place where she threw the ball, which is 3/6, I found out that these two parts are equal when I lined it up, and they're both the same distance away from 0. And I did this by equally partitioning the number lines first, and then I partitioned 2 equal parts for Miss Blakelock's length, and 6 equal parts for Miss Ziegler's length. Because Miss Ziegler threw it 3/6, and Miss Blakelock threw it half. So then I label Miss Blakelock's with the place where Miss Blakelock threw her ball, which is half, and 3/6 for Miss Ziegler. And I lined it, and then I lined the fractions up. I saw they were the same distance away from 0, so they threw the ball the same length.
What would it look like if one teacher threw the ball farther away on the number line?
If one teacher threw the ball farther away, like Miss Ziegler threw the ball 4/6, then Miss Blakelock's will be closer to the 0, and Miss Ziegler's will be farther to the 0. So I know that Miss Ziegler would throw the ball further.
On the clock, it says that she has to leave at 6:45. And it takes her 5 minutes to take a shower, and I got that it was 6:40. And then I jumped back 10. Then I jumped back 10 and then I jumped back another 10 because that's how many minutes it takes her to get
to make breakfast, and I got 6:20, and then I jumped back 7 because that's how many minutes it takes her to get dressed, and my answer, I got 6:13, and that's the time that she has to get up to leave her house on time.
Kyle, do you think it's AM or PM and why?
I think it's AM because that most of the time people have to go to work in the morning.